Welcome to Emammy Group of Schools.
My name is Nathan Mtuku from Emammy Group of Schools, Utawala campus. Today, we are learning about growing fruit plants.
As we all know, fruits give us vitamins which protect our bodies from diseases. Let us have fun as we grow different fruit plants, including avocados and mangoes. Hello everyone, my name is Audrey Sarah from Emammy Group of Schools, Utawala campus, ready to show you agricultural project for grade 5. As you can see here in front of me, I have two garden plots, Garden E and Garden F. We mulched Garden E but we did not mulch Garden F. We gave Garden F more water than Garden E, but yet Garden E has conserved more water and grown into a healthy and stronger plant. But in Garden F, there have been water evaporating and it has not grown into a strong and healthy plant like the one in plot E. Thank you.